Hi madam, this is our SEL video for week 6. My name is Gohating Kathy.
My name is Lijiayi Evelyn.
Okay, I choose this photo to our SEL week 6.
Oh, I chose that too.
Hey, you also! Hey!
So let us talk about the question. So what interests you most about this photograph? So actually, what interests me about this photograph is that the tree is floating in the mid-air. Its roots are not in the ground the way a tree is supposed to be, and its green leaves are replaced by the red color balloons. So what do you think?
Yes, I almost agree with you.
Okay.
Okay, and the picture interests me the most is the balloon which is on top of the tree. And as I think the idea of red balloon replace the green leaf of the tree is quite creative because I never see before, and the whole object which float on in the air is catches my attention.
Okay, that's the end.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so move to question 2. How would you describe this painting to a person who could not see it? I think I will tell him or her that it is a tree which its leaves are replaced by a bunch of red colored balloons, and its roots are not rooted in the earth like a tree is supposed to be. It's in the mid-air. So,
Okay, for me I would like to describe the color and how is the painting look like to him or her. The tree is floating in the air and the tree root is exposed in the air. No green leaf on top of the floating tree, but the red balloon will on top of the floating tree which replace the green leaf. The whole object is floating in the air and is also floating in an empty room. The wall of the empty room is white in color, while the ceiling of the empty room is brown in color.
oh, actually, that's very interesting.
Yes.
So, what do you think is going on in this picture, and how did you arrive at that idea? So, I think the tree is hoping it could fly away or break away from the restriction, which is the earth. In other words, it does not want to be limited in a space, and so it desperately trying to fly away from the ground, and that desperately turned the green leaves into red color balloons so that it could fly in the sky. I arrived at this idea because trees normally are rooted in the earth, and in this picture it is suspended in the mid-air.
Okay, for me, I think the floating tree with balloon on top of it is trying to fly away from this area. The red balloon is symbol freedom, which is mean the tree want to fly away with the balloon together and escape from this together. Escape from this area with the balloon together.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
In your opinion, what message do you think the artist trying to convey? So, in my opinion, I think the artist is trying to tell us about the impossibility and hope. I mean, in the picture, it tells us to hope for the impossible. Nothing is impossible in our lives. So, how about you?
Okay, for me, I think the artist is trying to convey a message for us about try to not limit our idea and thinking inside a box. Our thinking and ideas should jump out from the box so that we could have more interesting and creative idea, so that we could create more impossible and creativeness.
So what title will you give to this art, and what made you decide on that title? I will give the title of The Flying Tree because the tree is looked like it is flying in the mid-air.
For me, I would like to give the title of Unlimited because the tree is with unlimited idea and creative too. Yes, it's for reminder from me, the idea from me.
Oh, I think it's very creative for your idea because I have never thought about that before, and it's true for your title Unlimited because It's like impossible. The tree could not fly like in our world, but maybe could fly in our imagination. So our imagination is unlimited. So your title is very suitable.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. That's
Thank you.
all for our discussion about these pictures. And thank you for listening to us. And so that's all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.